Alright, what's the name of the show?
How about Shawn and Jillian build?
Shawn and Jillian build. Do we have a... Yeah. No.
Cabinet cards. Part 1. Clean and cut. It is important to build with your grown-ups. They will teach you what tools are safe.
So today we're going to build this cabinet right here.
Ooh. Right now it says pull-out shelf.
It's a pull-out shelf, which is great because you can pull out and see the stuff on top. But what's not great, here, stand to the side a little bit, Jillian, is look, there's all this stuff on the bottom and all this stuff in the way back that you can't get to. So what we're going to do is build 2 rolling shelves.
Carts. We're building rolling carts.
And so you could roll and take this one out and then roll the other over and take that one out. And then you'd be able to get to all the stuff. At least that's the plan.
Commercial products that do this cost between $150 to $400 and don't even access all the space.
What do you think about that plan?
Good.
Should we show them the wheels?
Yeah.
All right, let's get the wheels.
I can do it. I can do it. I'm going to get the wheel. Wait.
We're going to the basement to get some supplies, and the squirrel is coming with us.
Yeah.
He's in his shoe.
Yeah.
Jillian's got her boots on, and the squirrel has a croc. There's a squirrel in his shoe.
Now that's funny.
That's funny.
That's
These are the
right.
baskets.
Yeah.
We were thinking of putting these baskets at the tops of both shelves, and they would provide space for, you know, Tupperware, whatever we
Look
decide
at
to
that
put in there.
spider web right there. Go that way.
Does that roll?
Ooh. I have to measure something in there.
What are you going to measure?
I might need a little help. Come on. You have to measure this. Let's
You
measure
gonna
it.
measure the squirrel's house?
Yep, this way first. Ooh.
So we're going to have 2 of these. So how many wheels did we buy, Jillian?
8.
8. That's right. We need to measure the width of here.
Yeah. We don't need to measure this for this project.
All right, I'm holding it. You pull it.
1, 7.
1/7 plus the width of the tape measure. So that's 19 inches. Now do the height too.
2,
2, 2. What about to the bottom of the opening?
7.
Huh?
7.
No, it should be like 2 something.
It's 1, 2.
Ah, 21. Okay. Ta-da! High five.
Ta-da! And I didn't get any hurt.
Didn't get any hurts. For the lumber for this project, I actually have a 2-foot by 4-foot board that I found in my house when I moved in. Haven't used it for a project yet, so I think this is going to be it. There is a bit of mold in one corner. Part of that will be cut off with the table saw as we cut our pieces. If there's any left, we'll sand it down. We'll see how it goes. All right, we've got the table saw set up. Jillian, do you want to go upstairs or do you want to stay here for this?
No, I want to stay here for this.
You just said you wanted to go upstairs a second ago.
No, I didn't.
Oh, well,
So I wanted.
it's going to be really loud.
Oh.
Like really loud.
Uh. I don't want to do this.
How about I grab the safety goggles and I'll meet you upstairs.
No, can you please open the door for me?
Of course.
And then I can go back upstairs.
Of course.
I'm going to use a table saw to cut down my board. You could also use a circular saw or just buy boards the right sizes in the first place. I've got a lot of safety devices and, of course, safety goggles.
There you go. After all that cutting, I turned a 2-foot by 4-foot board into all these. The lumber I cut, Jillian.
That looks good.
Yeah? Is it going to work? You having a snack?
Look, whoa, look at all these bits.
Look at all those bits. We're actually on the second day of this project because life always has things to do, and sometimes you can't finish a project in one day. That's all right. The secret is to drill a pilot hole for your screws.
I like
You know,
all
slightly
these.
smaller than your screw. You've got some screws here. What do you think about those, Jillian?
They look cool.
Yeah? We'll use those to attach the roller balls to the bottom.
Whoa.
And then we've got these screws too.
This drill here.
And that drill there. Yeah, we've got a drill,
And this teeny tiny drill.
a drill driver, and a small drill driver, so we don't have to switch bits all the time. That's going to be really good. And then I think we're going to assemble it and then maybe spray it with some clear acrylic to seal it.
The other time, this guy was out of batteries.
He was out of batteries, but try him now. He's all charged up.
It is important to build with your grown-ups. They will teach you what tools are safe and how to use them.
It's always good to have your tools fully charged. Alright, but first you still have to have breakfast.
I left the baskets right next to where I was using the table saw, and they got covered in sawdust. Just goes to show, an ounce of prevention leads to 9 stitches, or something like that. Anyway, Jillian helped me clean them up.
I think this one's almost done.
Great. Alright, the next thing we need to do is empty out the cabinet itself. Because we have to remove this drawer, because we're going to add it to one of our new shelves, right? Alright, you want to help me empty it out? I think we'll use the baskets to put stuff in.
You hand me stuff and I'll put them in the baskets.
Look at this funny little thing. Show the camera.
What? What camera?
That's the camera right there.
Show this?
Sure, why not?
Is this not the camera?
It's like a little rubber foot. Well, that's probably too close.
This?
You might need to stand back over by me.
This?
Don't trip over your stuff.
This? This?
I would say right about here.
Here?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah, right about there. Does that work?
It did work.
It did? How do we know? We're filming this on an old phone, so we don't know. Very low production value on this first video.
I see you, Dad.
You do?
I do.
Excellent. What am I doing?
Can you hold this funny thing up?
You want me to hold it up? Okay, and you tell me if it's centered. Is this centered?
It is.
Can you see what it is?
I can't.
Yeah, it's a tiny rubber foot. Oh, this is a double boiler. Look, see? This fits in here. And then you can, like, you know, double boil things. You make chocolate or frozen squash.
You took out that shell.
And I did.
That's amazing.
What is this? An egg keeper and serving tray. Now we can make deviled eggs. Do you like deviled eggs?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Have you ever had a deviled egg?
No. And I think that's all of it. That was fun, being in that cabinet and taking things out of there.
Should we just leave it empty so you can play in it all the time? Look
Once
at that.
you clean it up.
Yeah, it's clean. Or at least empty. And mostly clean.
Yeah, mostly.
Ta-da!
This screw is stuck. There it comes.
You got it?
Got it. I don't do much of a sum that. But This is my thumbs up. That was a little mistake. Let's do my better thumbs up. This is this thumbs up.
Okay.
I have 2 thumbs ups.
Let me see. That's a thumbs up?
Yep, and that's a thumbs up,
Oh. All right.
and that's a thumbs up.
That looks like a thumbs down.
That's a thumbs down. And that's a thumbs down.
What's a thumbs up again?
That's a thumbs up.
I see. Perfect.
And that's a thumbs up.
Wow, there's a lot of versions of thumbs up.
Yep, there's 3 thumbs ups.
Awesome. That's how he walks.
Jump.
Is that where he sleeps?
Yep.
You're gonna check it out.
Yep.
It's fully cleaned. We wiped it out.
Looks fun in here. But there's pretty much a lot of room in here.
There's a lot of room, right? And we're not really using that room. That's the whole point of this project, is to make something to use that room.
Maybe I should stay in here for a little while.
Should I shut the door?
Yeah. You have to do it.
How is it in there?
It's good. I like it.
Should I turn off the light?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. It's even darker now. But maybe you should turn it back on.
Okay.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and ring that bell icon.